Sterling Pacific Ventures Corporation, or SPVC, is the first and only custom manufacturer of ice cream in the Philippines that adheres to international quality standards. Its production hub has a 2.16 million liter manufacturing capacity. It has state-of-the-art technology, allowing dynamic flexibility. The company has three major sales divisions. Divisions 1 and 2 are dedicated to generating sales through varying channels for both B2B and B2C customers, while Division 3 supports the custom manufacturing requirements for the customers who outsource their private label ice cream brands. Its workforce is composed of highly specialized and skilled people who thrive in a culture of dynamism in innovation, creativity, and excellence, where everyone's talent is valued within its relaxed yet enabling working environment. The research and development section is where SPVC's expertise meets client ideas, resulting in breakthroughs in product development. The company provides comprehensive and innovative management of the value chain, as it offers end-to-end business solutions from sourcing to delivery, so business partners can focus more on their core competency, which is to market, sell, and expand their business. Trustworthiness is a fundamental concept that we at SPVC ensure. Each product is a result of the creative partnership between SPVC's workforce, who are driven by passion to push boundaries and think differently together with its clients. Products pass through a stringent quality control system based on international standards. Since SPVC is the first toll manufacturer of ice cream that has FSSC 22000 certification. SPVC supports small and medium enterprises, local and international businesses in simplifying the process of serving while increasing its clients' competitiveness. SPVC integrates the skills and strengths of its people with SAP's Intelligent Enterprise to allow speed and impeccable solutions underlying the raw materials and production requirements. From high-end to low-end ice cream products, SPVC makes sure to adhere to its clients' preferences while providing and managing end-to-end custom-made ice cream manufacturing services. While the company provides product development and production, it also distributes other products to other food manufacturing plants, who likewise put a premium on healthy, alternative raw materials that indirectly campaign for healthy lifestyles. Be it the end product or the raw materials that we distribute to our clients, SPVC assures efficient, safe handling, and prompt delivery of these, and even thereafter with our after-sales customer service. From the manufacturing hub all the way to the product's target destination, we guarantee a comprehensive, worry-free customer experience. SPVC's client engagement goes through a creative meeting of minds, where its clients have oversight of the entire process, from strategy design to brand packaging and marketing solutions. At SPVC, perfection is not an option, it's a trademark. Implementing the company's competencies on its products, in the way its workforce performs each task, Sterling Pacific Ventures Corporation's brand of business solutions can take your business to places, locally and globally.